Hello friends, today in this video we will see how to get day name from date in SQL Server. Okay, now many times you will get this requirement where they will provide a date, okay, and you have to retrieve the name out of it as a sales report or means anything, right? So, as part of this video tutorial, we are going to discuss three simple approaches to do this. The first approach is how we can use date name function. Second approach will be using the format function, and the third approach will be how we can use date part with the case statement. Right now, what I'll do, I'll just navigate to a notepad where I've already written all these queries because we are going to discuss so many examples, and if I'll start writing all of this, then the video will be unnecessarily, it will be too lengthy, right? So what I've done, I have already written that in a notepad. I will make you understand there, and then we will go to the SQL Server Management Studio, and we will run all these queries one by one, and we will see all the outputs, whether we are getting the expected output or not. Now let me go to the notepad. So this is the method one, guys, using the date name function where this is the syntax basically. Date name, date part, date expression, right? So if you consider one example, select date name is the function where we are specifying the date part as weekday, right? Weekday, and then get date is the current date as current day name. So what it will do, it will provide me the current day name, right? Similarly, this is the one more example where we are providing the date name function along with DW. DW is the abbreviated name of this weekday, right? So this is the particular specific date if you want to specify, right? As a specific day name. Then, if you want, you can also extract the day name with the date arithmetic like this. Select day name, weekday, and date add function we are using here. Day, then 7, get day is the current day as next week day name, right? If you want next week day name, you can specify like date arithmetic like this with the date add function, right? Then we have a real-time example here where we are trying to get the day names from a sales data, right? Here we are using select statements, select sale amount, total sales, and then date name we are using weekday, and sale date, whatever date it got sold, right? Then as transaction day, then select amount, sale amount also we are retrieving from the table name. This is sales where sale underscore date is greater than equal to date or month minus 6 get date ordered by sale date, descending, right? So basically this is one of the requirements. So what I'll do, I'll copy all these queries here. I will copy all these queries including the real-time example, and I will, what I'll do, I'll go to the SQL Server Management Studio, and I will go for a new query, and I will paste that here, right? So you can able to see this is a test database where I am trying to execute these queries. This is a test. I have a test database, right? This I need to remove it. I'll remove it. You can able to see this. Let's execute the first example where we are trying to know the current date. That means today's day name, right? Current day name. So if I'll execute this, you can able to see today is Saturday. So I got the expected output, right? Let me zoom it a little bit for you guys. So we got the day name as Saturday, right? So this is as expected. So here what I'll do, I will execute the next query where we are providing a specific date and we are telling that what is the specific day name, right? So I will execute this. You can able to see it is Sunday because that day 14/9/2025 is a Sunday, right? So this is as expected. We got it, and this is the next weekday name. So if I will execute this, you can able to see that is Saturday, right? Based on the arithmetic calculation. Then this is the sales data report we have. I will just select the complete query and I will execute it. You can able to see We got the expected output, guys. The transaction day are Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Wednesday, then Sunday on Sunday, right? These are the same amount total sales. Whatever we are trying to, retrieve the column values along with the day names, right? We got it as expected, right? Now let's go to the second method. I'll move again to the notepad. I'll try make you understand there. See, the second method is using the format function. Here the syntax is format date value, then format string, and then the culture information, right? So if you see here an example, select format function, then get day is the current date, and this is the format as today full name, right? So if it will give the current day full name, right? That means if it is Monday, it will give you the name as a Monday, complete Monday, right? And then the second example is format, then get date, DDD. This means the abbreviation, that is the abbreviated name of a day. Like for Monday, it will give you three letter, that is MON, right? Mon it will give. So the third one is select format, get date, DDDD, and this is like along with the date, we will get the day name as well as a formatted today, right? And then this is a real-time example where we are getting the sales reporting again, total sales, format sale date means sale date, then with this abbreviation, and then one more sale date with again some MAN like I told, three letters it will show, and then along with the date and then their name, right? So all this format we are combining here, formatted transaction date, that is the column name, then sales amount also from sales, then where your sale underscore date equal to your get date, that means if it is equal to the current date, right? So current date year, right? Then order by sale underscore date descending, right? This is the condition. So what I'll do now, I will just copy again this all these queries, and I will go to the SQL Server Management Studio, and I will try executing there. Okay. So what I'll do now, better I'll go to a new query window for the method 2, and I will paste the all the queries here. You can able to see. So let's execute the first one. We'll execute it. You're able to see it is complete Saturday, so it is giving me the complete day name, right? That means when you will specify 4D, then it will give you the complete day name, right? So this is 3D. What it will give? Let's see. It will give the abbreviation version of the name, day name, like SAT. As I told you, this will give the three alphabets from the name. The first three, right? It is SAT. That is the abbreviation form of the name, right? Day name. Then we will execute this one to get the day name along with the date as well. If I'll execute this, you're able to see it is showing me Saturday, September 20th, 2025, right? So the complete formatted today it given me. Now coming to the real time example, let's execute this. Once I will execute this, you can able to see we got the expected date where we are getting this the transaction day full name as Wednesday. Same way we are getting transaction day short name as Wednesday, WED, right? And formatted transaction date as Wednesday with the date June 04 2025 for all the columns, all the output we are getting as expected. So this is the second method, guys. Now let's go back to the notepad again to discuss the third method. Now you can able to see the method 3 is date part with case statement. This is one example where we are getting the sale date, select sale date, and then case date part function we are using where we are saying the weekday, and then from the sale date you retrieve me the weekday. So when one, then it is Sunday, two means Monday, three means Tuesday, and 4 means Wednesday, 5 means Thursday, 6 means Friday, and 7 means Saturday, right? And as the order day name, right? And then from sales is the table name. So if I will go here and copy this query, so basically here we are using both the date part and the case statement. This is the case statement and this is the date part function. right? So if I'll go to the notepad again, I will, okay, I'll go to the new query window and I will paste this query here and I will execute this. You are able to see we got the expected output, guys. We got the sale date, and that is 23 3 2025, which is Sunday, right? Order day name is Sunday. Same way we got as expected based on the date, right? So this is all about these three method, guys. If you want to copy these queries and all, I've already written one article on the same topic. That article link I'm going to provide in the video description. You can go through that article once. You will get lots of example there. So I have just discussed here some important examples out of those. Because if I start explaining all those examples, the video will be unnecessarily lengthy. So that's the reason I am giving you the article link description as well, so that you can go through the article and you can find the complete tutorial there, right? So that's it, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you how to get the day name from a specified date or the current date, right? We have discussed so many examples and syntax. We have used three methods to achieve this functionality, right? So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you guys, kindly subscribe to our channel so that you'll get lots of free SQL Server tips, Azure PowerShell commands, and Azure CLI commands, and many more. Thanks a lot again, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.